Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Nathina Antoinette. Go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that way you can see every time I post a new video. My hair looks a little crazy because I just did my Cardi B money inspired Halloween look, and I had like the little flips and all of that stuff up there. So I'm ready to take this off because I sprayed it with hairspray. I went to like 2 parties plus cheered at a game, and are you doing your makeup? And yeah, it's just time to take this off. So I haven't had this on for exactly a week yet. It's only been 5 days. It's been 5 days since I've had this on, or 4.5 days, 5 days, something like that. I didn't know that this Ghost Bond, this stuff here, I didn't know that that stuff was this strong. I kind of just wanted to for it to hold me through the weekend because I didn't want to be knucking and bucking or cheering and my wig started sliding back or anything. And y'all, it is like, look at this. The stuff is still on. I have a video showing how I applied it, which it will go up before this video, so I'll put the link for that in the description. So we're gonna try to, take this off, and I probably should have Googled or YouTube how to take it off, but we're just gonna go for it. I'm just using an alcohol wipe. Okay, I'll give you one. Relax. I'm just gonna use an alcohol wipe pad thing because it cleaned up the glue, the excess glue from my hairline very well. So I'm just gonna use that. That's weird. So once I lifted it and started wiping, it came right on off, but thank you. But yeah, like this, it doesn't move. So that is wonderful. Are you pulling on your locks? So yeah, I feel like this could have definitely stayed on for at least another week, but I don't do like any working out. Some days I do yoga, most days I don't. But yeah, for me, I feel like as long as you tie your hair down with a scarf, because I was tying my hair down with a scarf on some nights, and maybe that helped or whatever. But this glue, y'all, this glue is the truth.
Gotcha.
You say it's the truth?
Gotcha.
Are you fake sneezing?
Gotcha.
It's still so sticky. I feel like if I put this right back on my scalp, it's gonna get stuck again. Did that really just happen? Just like wipe it off and it just sticks back down. That's crazy. Yeah. Oops. Stop sticking. I thought the removal was going to be a lot harder because the wig was so adhered to my skin. I thought it was going to be a lot harder. Alright, so the rest of that is like hairspray and got to be glue. So all I have to do is wet that other stuff and it'll come on off. Oh wait, it's the stocking? What is going on here? Oh, the stocking cap is still stuck. But the wig, there we go. The stocking cap is stuck to the wig. Whew, honey. Cool beans. Yeah, this Ghost Bond stuff. This right here. This is the Ghost Bond Platinum. I don't know if that's like the super, well, it's platinum, so I'm gonna guess it's like the super hold or whatever. But yeah, definitely the truth. I'm so ready to see my locks under here.
Okay.
Okay. I just wet my hair like right around where I put my got to be stuff. I don't even really feel like I needed to put that much got to be down there because my forehead is so big that I just had to glue around like my actual forehead. So yeah, but ooh, yes, y'all. Anyway, I have no Ghost Bond. I do have a little bit of Ghost Bond right here. So let me get that off. And I'm just using alcohol pads. And I think these are only like, these are 70%. These are 70% alcohol wipes, 70% isopropyl alcohol pads or whatever. So yeah, they clean this glue right up. Like, no problem. All my edges are still there. They're still there, honey. This Ghost Bond Platinum definitely worked for me. The only other glue that I have ever tried was like this clear lace glue stuff that they had in the hair store. And that was back in the day when I came across some like celebrity secrets of how they like do their wigs. Like this was, I think I might have only been like 22, something like that. And they were using like that bald cap method. And I had put the glue all around here and I had a bad reaction to it. So I had stopped doing that. So this was my first time doing the bald cap method. Since then. But yeah. I didn't put this in the back. But I put it all around here. And my skin is all clean. It all came off. Some left across here, but I'll just pick that off at a later date. No big deal. I'm just so excited to wash my hair and feel my locks. So yeah. Whew, that's it for this video. Definitely recommend the Ghost Bond Platinum. Like, I really think that this will hold for at least 2 weeks, maybe even longer, depending on how well you manage your hair. So definitely go pick this up. It was $22.99 from my beauty supply store here in town. So yeah, thank you. We will see you again very soon. Blythe is a complete glitter ball because she's been playing in my makeup while I was talking. All right, we'll see you guys very soon. Bye.